eomer turns your raw data into production-ready AI. Forecasting, regression, and classification, all done in minutes, not months. Let me show you how. Let us start with the time series forecasting. First, we select a new forecast. Then we can connect either a data source from our database or we can drag and drop a data set. Here I use retail supermarket daily revenue over the last 5 years. We get a quick preview of our data just to see that everything looks as expected, and we configure the model we want to use as well as the prediction horizon. Here I chose 24 days. Then we can already click Run and submit everything to the eomer platform. Just a couple of seconds later, we get a summary of our forecast and the forecasted sales for the next period. In addition to the forecasted values for the set time horizon, we also get an entire distribution around them, which helps us formulate confidence intervals in order to improve our decision making. For reference, we also show you how you can replicate these results using the API, as well as download the forecasting results as a CSV file. Now let's move on to the second one, the regression. Here our data is from American housing prices, and our task is to explain the median housing price given information about these houses, such as their size, the number of bath and bedrooms that they have at their location, and more. Again, we drag and drop our data or connect it from our database, we get a preview, and then hit send. Once the model is done, we get a quick summary of what actually is important to determine a housing price, and we see that the location plays a very, very big role, and other features are relevant as well, but location remains paramount. Now, on to the third pillar, which is classification. Here we drag and drop data of annual income, and the model is then supposed to assign the correct label whether an individual is expected to earn above or below 50,000 US dollars. What we feed to the model is information about these people, such as the number of hours that they work per week, where they're originally from, whether they have capital gains, capital losses, and more. Once we have submitted this to the model, we wait a couple of seconds and we then get a summary of all the information that is actually relevant in order to determine the right label for this individual. Here we get a very high score of above 85% and we can download our results. 3 use cases: forecasting, regression, and classification, all from the same platform, all production ready within minutes from day one. No machine learning infrastructure needed on your end, no specialized team required. eomer handles the models, you can focus on the decisions. Visit eomer.ai or book a demo to see how this works for your data.